guys, Mama Vindy here. In this video I'm going to be doing basically an unboxing, although I already took it out of the box because I was so excited to get this. This is the Gudetama Lazy Egg little handbag and wallet that I recently got for Mother's Day. It's one of my little Mother's Day gifts that I wanted to share with you guys in a little video because I just think I am like obsessed with this little adorable lazy egg. I mean, this thing is the cutest little thing that I don't know what it is about this little egg, but I swear to goodness this thing is so cute. It's like I think it literally describes like everybody at some point, you know, those days where you're just feeling like I just don't want to do anything, like in this little tag it says nah, you know. I mean, in a lot of his pictures, images that you'll find online and so forth, you'll see the egg itself like being poked at, you know, with little chopsticks and, you know, oh my gosh, I just don't even know. I can't even. It's just like so cute. This is a Sanria character, a Japanese character, that just resembles, you know, an egg that lacks energy and strength. And it just like, I don't know, I just love it. I think it's so cute. So I'll show you guys basically what the outer parts of the bag and wallet look like, and I'll give you a quick inside look. And just look at the little tag. The little tag is just, I just love everything. If you guys go on YouTube and look at the, like their little cafes and stuff that they have only in Asia, okay, I mean, these are the cutest little cafes I think I've ever seen. I swear to goodness, it is. I'm gonna go there someday. I have got to hit like every little Gudetama cafe that I can possibly go to, and I wish I had known about it when I actually lived over in Japan, but this is just the cutest character to me. I think it's so cute. But let me just show you guys like the outside of the wallet. On this side obviously has the Gudetama face, and you can see the little cracked egg on the bottom, and this is by Loungefly. These two bags, I got these from Fuego online, and I paid $45 for the wallet and $69 for the handbag. There was no tax, free shipping. It came up to $114, and I got it literally in a couple of days. And I mean, Loungefly has really cute stuff. I got my first Loungefly bag for my daughter Easter. If you guys look at one of my other videos there that I just recently posted around Easter time, she got a Loungefly Dumbo bag, a little mini backpack and a matching wallet, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is so flippin' cute, and the quality is so cute. I think it's a really decent quality for what you pay. I mean, dude, it's literally $100 and you have a little wallet and a bag, and I just think it's so adorable. And so I started looking up little characters, and I thought, I don't know, maybe they have something that I would like, and I am like just totally into the Gudetama eggs. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm part Japanese, I don't know. Dude, I'm just loving this. It may not be for everybody, but I'm totally loving this. Here is the other side. As you guys see, a lot of the Loungefly stuff will have their little nameplate on here. It says Gudetama, the lazy egg, and it'll say Loungefly on there. And it's just really cute. Really cute on both sides. You've got the face on one side, you've got the Loungefly label on the other side, and when you open it up, there's this really cute yellow and white polka dot pattern on here. And when I first looked at it, I was like, what the what? You know, I sat there and I looked at it because I thought, oh, I've got a defective thing. But if you look close, that is actually little Gudetama faces. And I thought it was like maybe ink mess up or something. But it's actually Gudetama faces on there. I mean, open it up in there. Another one. Okay. Tell me that is not like one of the cutest things ever. I swear. Another one in there. The little Gudetama face. And so, but yeah, at first I was thinking, oh no, it's all messed up, but it wasn't. That's just like awesome, the attention to detail that they actually put into the little bag, and I thought that is such a nice bonus to have. Little faces on the eggs, and you know, it's just like, I think it's like a faux leather or something like that. You got your little cards, you got your 2 pockets here, you got your little ID thing there, and you can put your money all up in here. And you got a zipper pocket. Let's see if I can get it zipped. You got your zipper pocket right here. Again, with all the cute little patterned eggs down there. So yeah, that is so cute. And then your purse, your little handbag. I think this part is so cute. And on the other side, it says Gudetama, the lazy egg. That is just so cute. I don't know why. I just love it. I think this is just the cutest thing. And this does come the long strap to a crossbody. And again, here's the label on the opposite side. It says the Lazy Egg Loungefly. The label. The bottom is black. Okay. And I think, you know, the only thing I was a little disappointed, I was thinking that the wallet was actually going to fit inside, but the wallet is too big for this particular bag. I mean, I wanted it to match, and so obviously I ordered the same exact pattern. And I thought, oh, that's going to be so cute. But I wish this was actually a smaller coin size version and you could actually fit it in here nicely, you know, but for this particular wallet, you're going to have to order a bigger bag, which I think, you know, I did see one on Amazon, which I think it'll fit in. So I'll have to check on that. Take that out. Here's your long strap. Pretty decent quality hardware here. Clasps. And then you have ID. Little card pockets there. It's nice, you know, because it's such a small bag. But if I were to put this little wallet inside, as you can see, it's going to stick out of the pocket. If it doesn't bother you to wear it like that, no big deal. You can wear it like that. But, I don't know. I think I'm probably going to order the big one. And just keep searching and see if I see one of those little mini coin purse kind of wallets that'll fit. But either way, dude, this is so flipping cute. And then on the little zipper pull, it does say Loungefly there too. So that's cute. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, if you're new to my channel, and ring that little notification bell so you can see more videos to come and see what else I have coming out. I just think this bag is so cute. I really do. I think this bag is adorable, and I don't know. I just thought I'd share it with you guys. I mean, look, the Lazy Gudetama. I also have this like super cute camera, one of those Instax cameras or something like that. That is Gudetama. That's actually the first Gudetama product that I got. That I think last Mother's Day, my daughter got that for me, and I just absolutely love it. And a lot of times you'll see the little egg butt. You'll see his butt crack. You know, it's usually like flipped over on top of, you know, food and, you know, chopsticks and whatever's poking it. And he's kind of like, oh no, you know, so anyways. If you like the video, again, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Ring that notification bell so you can see all my videos to come and support my channel. So again, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.